Hey, hey, hey! What's going on, everyone?
Hi, guys. Hope you're doing amazing today. Alex, you look suspiciously energetic.
Yeah, because I've had coffee. Actually, I've had two coffees already.
Oh, wow. And boom, we just used today's grammar.
Exactly. Today, we're talking about present perfect.
If you've ever thought, I know past simple, but present perfect confuses me, you're in the right place.
Stay with us, hit like, subscribe, and let's jump in.
Okay, first things first. What is present perfect?
Simple idea. It connects the past to the present.
Structure check. Have/has plus past participle.
For example, I've finished my work. Not when exactly, but the result matters now.
Keyword result. Result means the effect you see now.
Let's compare.
I watched that movie yesterday. Past simple.
I've watched that movie. Present perfect.
First one, time is clear. Second one, experience matters.
Important word, experience. Experience means something you've done in your life.
Alex, have you ever tried sushi?
Yes, I have, but I've never tried raw fish.
Guys, listen carefully. Ever means at any time in your life. Never means not at any time.
Repeat after me. I've never been to Japan.
Now the famous trio, already, yet, just.
I've already eaten. Sooner than expected.
I haven't finished yet. Not now, but maybe later.
I've just arrived. Just means very recently.
Phone battery?
I've just charged it.
Homework.
I haven't done it yet.
Classic student answer.
Now, let's talk about time.
Since equals starting point. For equals duration.
I've lived here since 2020. I've lived here for 5 years.
Keyword duration. Duration means how long something continues. Quick upgrade. Present perfect continuous.
I've been studying all day.
Focus is on the activity, not the result.
And yes, you sound more natural when you use it.
I have went.
Nope, I have gone.
Past participle matters.
Go, went, gone. Important trio. Today has been crazy.
What's happened?
I've missed the bus, I've lost my keys, and I've spilled coffee on my shirt.
So, great day. Important rule. If time is not finished, use present perfect.
I've had 3 meetings today. Today isn't over.
Quick IELTS tip.
Present perfect is gold in IELTS Speaking Part 1 and 3.
Especially for experiences and habits.
Pause the video.
Say one sentence with I've never.
And one with I've already.
Word. Achievement.
Achievement means something you are proud of.
Example. I've achieved my goal. Have you cleaned your room?
I've started.
That means no.
Ever, never,
Life experience.
already, Yet.
Expectation.
Since. For.
Time.
If this helped you,
Like, subscribe, and share it.
see you next time.